This yellow remedy will protect cucumbers and tomatoes from diseases and pests. It will safeguard tomatoes from blight, increase flowering, and boost yields. This natural fertilizer will help your plants grow healthily and produce abundant fruit. You'll need only ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First, boil a liter of water. It's important that the water is hot because one of the key ingredients needs high temperatures to dissolve. Now, add 2 teaspoons of an extraordinary powder with strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, turmeric. When the mixture cools slightly, add 100 milliliters of the second ingredient, which is rich in calcium and other minerals, milk. This not only strengthens your crops, but also enhances their ability to fight off diseases and pests. Thanks to this ingredient, the remedy will stay on the plants longer. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the ingredients are well combined. Wait until the mixture has completely cooled and strain it through a fine sieve. Then, pour the mixture into a spray bottle and spray the plants once a week. This natural remedy will help your cucumbers and tomatoes thrive, keeping them healthy and productive throughout the growing season. Store the rest in a jar for later use. An old gardener revealed to me what to put in the hole for cucumbers. Thanks to this, I have extraordinary yields. I gather buckets of cucumbers shortly after planting them in the ground. How is this possible? Cucumbers need warmth and plenty of water to grow. You can provide them with suitable conditions right from the planting stage. The seedlings will be able to grow and develop better. Everyone knows that cucumbers grow best when it's warm. You can provide this warmth to cucumbers right from their roots. The method is so simple that it's hard to believe. If you have a lawn and mow the grass, keep it for the cucumbers. You can also pick it from the garden edge. Grass is incredibly valuable for growing cucumbers right from the planting stage. Thanks to it, cucumbers will have warmth right from their roots. Dig a sizable hole. Line it with the previously cut or picked grass. The whole secret lies in the fact that when grass decomposes, it emits warmth. So bury it in the ground where you're planting the cucumbers, and then plant the cucumber seedling on top of it. You can prepare the soil for sowing cucumbers in the same way. As the grass decomposes, it emits warmth, and thanks to this, cucumbers grow like crazy. Just a piece of this soap is enough to protect your cucumber crops from blight. Gardeners have been using this method for years because it's incredibly effective, cheap, and natural. If you start to see a white powdery substance on the cucumber leaves, it's a bad sign. There's a simple way to protect them from aphids. This summer, you'll be harvesting cucumbers by the bucketful. Prepare a bar of gray soap. Grate it using a coarse grater. Its use in the garden is brilliant. You should have about 30 grams of soap flakes. Add them to a liter of water. Stir until all the soap dissolves. Then, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the cucumber leaves with this solution. The insecticidal properties of gray soap come from the fatty acids, which are toxic to many harmful insects. It protects the plant from aphids and fungi. The cucumber aphid is one of the species that feed on cultivated plants. Its presence can weaken the plant, or even cause it to wilt. They are mainly found on the younger parts of the plants, on the underside of the leaves, and on the shoots. The soapy foam also cleans the plant of dirt. This homemade spray is cheap and effective. It's no wonder most gardeners use it. Water the cucumbers with this. They will grow instantly. In the summer, you'll be collecting them by the bucketful. This simple fertilizer will make them grow like crazy. It will supply them with necessary nutrients. You'll quickly see the difference. The cucumbers will green up and start growing. Prepare a 1-liter jar and pour in some warm water, but not hot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried yeast to it. Stir the water. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir again, cover the jar, and set it aside in a warm, dark place for 2 hours. After this time, prepare a 5-liter bucket with warm water. Pour the yeast water into it, and mix everything. This way, we'll get a yeast fertilizer concentrate. For daily watering of the cucumbers, it still needs to be diluted. Before you do that, water the cucumbers first with plain water. It's important to moisten the soil around the cucumbers well. Then use the jar and scoop out 1 liter of concentrated fertilizer. Pour it into a 10-liter bucket of warm water. This bucket will be enough to water about 10 cucumber seedlings. That's 1 liter of fertilizer per seedling. This way you can water the cucumbers even daily, if necessary. You'll supply the cucumbers with necessary nutrients and stimulate their growth. They'll fruit like never before. The shape of a cucumber can tell you what it's missing. Homegrown cucumbers have an unmatched flavor and aroma. However, sometimes they take on strange shapes, and there could be several reasons for this. Let's explore the most common ones. I'll show you using 4 cucumbers that have different shapes. The first one resembles a pear more than a cucumber. This indicates a potassium deficiency. The next cucumber, in terms of its size and shape, suggests that it was watered incorrectly during its growth, specifically with water that was too cold. The weather also played a role in its appearance, with high temperatures during the day and low temperatures at night negatively impacting the cucumber. The third cucumber also has an irregular shape with a tapered end, which points to a significant nitrogen deficiency. Meanwhile, the fourth and fifth cucumbers share the same shape. They're curled up, taking on a hooked form like a croissant or banana. This is due to a lack of water, meaning they were watered too infrequently. As you can see, proper watering is crucial for each cucumber. If you primarily eat your vegetables raw, the shape may not matter much. However, if you plan on making preserves, the shape becomes more important, so it's worth taking care of them. This 1 tablespoon can make your cucumber plants grow like crazy. If you're dreaming of strong plants and baskets full of crisp cucumbers, you need to try this simple trick. All you need is 1 inexpensive ingredient from your kitchen cabinet that can help support healthy plant growth and improve overall vigor. Start with 1¼ gallons of water. Then add 1 tablespoon of the secret white powder that helps create better conditions for plants to absorb nutrients from the soil. This allows cucumbers to grow faster, develop stronger vines, and produce more healthy fruit. Now add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt and stir everything well. It provides magnesium and sulfur, 2 nutrients that are essential for healthy plant growth. Magnesium plays a key role in photosynthesis, helping the leaves stay deep green and produce the energy plants need to grow. Keep stirring until everything has completely dissolved. Use the finished solution to water your plants. Pour it directly around the base of each plant, so the nutrients reach the roots. Avoid getting the leaves wet, especially on sunny days. For best results, apply this fertilizer early in the morning or in the evening when temperatures are cooler. Repeat the treatment every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing and fruiting season. And now for the secret ingredient. That white powder is citric acid. It helps create better conditions for cucumber plants to absorb nutrients from the soil. Combined with Epsom salt, it creates a simple and inexpensive mixture that can support healthy growth and encourage a more abundant harvest.